Thomas was 17 years old and a senior in high school, had his whole life in front of him. He and some friends went out late one night, got drunk, drove the car off the road into a telephone pole. Thomas was thrown from the car and suffered a terrible closed head injury. He was never going to be the same. He was disabled now for the rest of his life. His mom and dad had been going through some marital difficulties. This didn't help. It just compounded the problem they had. They stayed together for about the next 4 years, but when Tom turned 21, his dad filed for divorce. His mom was taking care of him the whole time. She had been his primary caregiver and was going to continue in that role really for the rest of his life. Well, in that situation, the court ordered Tom's father to continue to pay child support for Tom, even though he was over 21 years old. And the reason why is because he was totally disabled. He was completely dependent upon the other parent, in this case his mother, to take care of him. It was as if he were still a minor, still a young child. So the father in that situation, had to continue to pay child support past his 18th birthday and past his 21st birthday. And that's the law in most states. If a child is disabled before they turn 18 and the parents get divorced, then the parent who's the primary caregiver of that child, that disabled child, is going to be able to get child support from the other parent. And that only seems fair.